Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our class. Today, we continue the chapter Getting to Know Plants. In our last class, we learned about stem and its function. Today, we are going to learn about leaf, another part of the plant, that is leaf. Leaf and its functions. Shall we start? Okay. Before we start our class, you observe the leaves of some plants around you. Look at the leaves of plants. You can see different size, different shaped leaves around you, right? Did you notice how are leaves attached to the stem? The part of leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The part of leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. You can see the picture of leaf that's showing petiole, lamina and stem. We know the part of the leaf which is attached to the stem is called petiole. And the broad green part of the leaf is known as lamina. I hope you understand. You can see different parts of a leaf. The lines on the leaves are called veins. The lines on the leaf is known as vein. And you can see a prominent line in the middle of the leaf, right? This is called midrib. The prominent line in the middle of a leaf is called midrib. These are the different parts of a leaf. Children, now we learned what is petiole, what is lamina. We learned what is a vein or veins of leaf, midrib. These are different parts of a leaf, right? Next, let us see leaf venation. What is leaf venation? The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. The design made by veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. You can see I have given two pictures there. In that the designs, that is the veins, how the veins are arranged. You can easily understand by using the picture. Actually, there are two types of leaf venations, children. One is reticulate venation and other one is parallel venation. There are two types of venations in leaf. One is reticulate venation and other one is parallel venation. We already discussed what is leaf venation. Leaf venation is the design made by veins in a leaf. There are two types. Let us learn it one by one. First one is parallel venation. Now you can see a picture. In that picture it is clear, right? If the veins in a leaf is parallel, it is called parallel venation. See children, if the veins in a leaf is arranged in parallel, you can see straight lines. The veins looks like straight lines. This arrangement is called parallel venation. Next one, you can see reticulate venation. If the design in a leaf is net-like on both sides of the midrib, the venation is called reticulate venation. We already learned what is midrib. Do you remember that? Midrib is the prominent line in the middle of the leaf, right? So, the design in a leaf, if it is a net-like on both sides of the midrib, it is known as reticulate venation. So, we learned the different parts of leaf and the types of leaf venations. I hope you understand. Children, I will explain it with the help of an activity. Here you can see a picture on the screen. In that picture you can see the leaves are covered with a polythene cover. Why do we cover this one? In this, we already learned the process transpiration, that is, water comes out of leaves. Here, when you cover this with a polythene cover, water vaporizes. Actually, water comes out from the leaves in the beginning, later it starts evaporate. But after some times, again because of the process condensation, you can see water drops on top of the cover. Normally in plants, this water vaporizes or water evaporates. But when we try this one, we can easily notice the presence of water in the polythene cover. This is just an activity, okay? Mainly to understand the process transpiration. You might be thinking how the cover is filled with water. It's actually first water vaporizes, but when we cover it with this polythene cover, water can't move out. So it condenses again, and on the polythene cover you can see water drops. Okay, this is the process transpiration. Next topic is photosynthesis. We already learned the function of leaf, right? So here the process photosynthesis. Actually, leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and green colored substance present in them. For this, they need water and carbon dioxide. We call this process of preparation of food as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare food or leaves prepare food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this is the process photosynthesis. So children, today we learned leaf and its function. I hope you understand. Thank you.